Welcome to my class, children. So today I am going to explain new chapter, that is the Song of Songs, in English by Swapna Datta. So Swapna Datta, she is a writer and translator based in New Delhi. She has been engaged in creative writing for more than 2 decades. Alright, so let us start the chapter, the Song of Songs. This story is about the guru of great Tansin, who was the court musician to Akbar. And you know what was the name of Tansin's guru? Sant Haridas. You know beta, Akbar was a great lover of music, art and literature. In his kingdom there were many renowned artists, sculptors and musicians, and Tansin was among the Navratnas at his court. Akbar bestowed on him the title of Mian, meaning a learned man. His contribution to the world of music is priceless, and he is still regarded as the supreme musician by leading singers and composers of music. It's very common, आपने भी सुना होगा ना, देखो कैसे गाना गा रहा है, जैसे कि तानसेन हो, है ना. कभी कभी हम कंपेयर कर देते हैं ना, तो तानसेन वॉज अ ग्रेट म्यूजिशियन. ओके, कहते हैं उसकी जैसा म्यूजिशियन तो आज तक वर्ल्ड में हुआ ही नहीं है. ऑलराइट, एंड ही वाज इन अकबर्स कोर्ट. सो इन दिस चैप्टर रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन अ गुरु एंड हिज डिसाइपल हैज बीन शोन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिसाइपल? स्टूडेंट. एक टीचर और एक स्टूडेंट के बीच की रिलेशनशिप को शो किया गया है. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द चैप्टर. सेक्शन 1. Slowly, gently, the exhausted musician laid his tanpura on the carpet. The exquisite strains of Rag Darbari still vibrated within the hall. Emperor Akbar looked up, his eyes bright with admiration. "Wonderful," he said. "Superb. I listen to you every day, but I cannot seem to have enough." Tansin bowed in silent gratitude. So, first of all, to begin with, यहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि तानसेन ही वॉज प्लेइंग तानपुरा. तानपुरा क्या होता है? एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. तो ही वॉज प्लेइंग द इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड वट एवर द नोट्स वर कमिंग आउट ऑफ डेट. नोट्स क्या होते हैं? जैसे सारे गामा है ना, नोट्स, कोई भी म्यूजिक के जो नोट्स बाहर आ रहे थे, दे वर सो मेलोडियस कि पूरे का पूरा जो उनका हॉल था अकबर का, इट वॉज वाइब्रेटिंग विद राग. राग दरबारी एक राग का नाम है. जैसे बहुत सारे राग होते हैं ना, राग भैरवी, राग भोपाली, ऐसे ही रागों के नाम होते हैं. संगीत में आप सीखोगे ना म्यूजिक, तो आपको पता चलेगा. यू विल कम टू नो. एंड यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन तानसेन ही स्टॉप्ड प्लेइंग द तानपुरा, ही केप्ट इट ऑन द कारपेट. एंड देन अकबर सेड, "वंडरफुल, सुपर्ब, तुम कितना अच्छा गाते हो." एंड तानसेन व्हाट ही डिड, उसने ग्रेटिट्यूड मीन्स थैंकफुलनेस, उसने अपना सिर झुका दिया. "I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world," said Akbar. "I don't, Shahanshah," said Tansin with a smile. Akbar admired a lot and he said, "You have the most melodious voice in the world, Tansin." But Tansin ने क्या कहा? नहीं, no. शहनशाह मतलब शहनशाह बोलते ना राजा को, कहते नहीं महाराज, no. "I don't have. There is someone who sings far better than I." "Really?" cried the disbelieving Akbar. Disbelieving मतलब Akbar could not believe कि anybody can sing better than Tansin. उसने कहा, अच्छा, then I must have him sing in my court. Can you arrange? All right. If somebody is here who sings better than you, please bring him in the court. I want him to sing here. Tansin shook his head. "I am afraid he will not come." Sire. Sire means, sire is a word which is used to address. रिस्पेक्टफुल वे में राजा को बोलने के लिए ये वर्ड यूज किया जाता है, सायर. इसका मतलब ही महाराज ही होता है एक तरह से, ठीक है. व्हाट? नॉट इवन इफ यू हियर्स दैट द एम्परर हिमसेल्फ रिक्वेस्ट्स हिम टू. अकबर ने कहा, अगर तुम ये कह रहे हो कि somebody sings better than you, प्लीज उसको ब्रिंग इन माई कोर्ट. देन तानसेन रिफ्यूज्ड. उसने कहा वो नहीं आएंगे. तो अकबर ने कहा, अच्छा, इफ यू टेल हिम कि द एम्परर wants to meet him, even then he will not come. तो तानसेन ने कहा, नो, तब भी नहीं आएंगे. This reply would have enraged means made angry, any other emperor. Akbar, however, was different. "Very well, Ustad ji," said Akbar, smiling into Tansin's half-scared eyes. Half-scared eyes means Tansin ने जब उसको मना किया ना कि my guru will not, मतलब that person who sings better will not come here, तो he got scared also because he is saying no to the emperor, and emperor might get angry, annoyed. But अकबर हैड सीन इन टू द आईज ऑफ तानसेन, और वो समझ गया था कि जो तानसेन है वो थोड़ा सा डर गया है. बट अकबर नेचर वॉज डिफरेंट, और उसने तानसेन से क्या कहा, ठीक है उस्ताद जी, अगर वो नहीं आएंगे तो मैं जाऊंगा. एंड देन तानसेन सेड, provided you do not come as the emperor of Hindustan, but you will have to go as an ordinary person, not like the emperor of Hindustan. I shall go as a humble lover of music. And then what happens? Sant Haridas was the man Tansen had spoken of. He had been Tansen's music teacher and lived the austere life of a hermit. When Tansen and the emperor reached his hut, Sant Haridas was busy with his daily chores. Daily chores means routine work, okay? And austere life means simple and disciplined life. What happened? When Tansen took Emperor Akbar to his guru's hut, he was just busy with his routine work. When they requested him to sing, he smiled and said firmly, I am long past the age for singing, means I have left singing long back. मैंने काफ़ी समय से गाना गाना छोड़ दिया है. I will not sing. Even his favorite pupil couldn't persuade him to change his mind. Persuade means even उसका जो favorite student था, pupil means student कौन था? हरिदास का favorite student तानसेन. तानसेन भी उनको मना नहीं पाया. किसको? हरिदास को. But तानसेन knew very well how to get around him. Get around him means how to make him change his mind. Okay, he knew the trick. जैसे आप लोगों को ट्रिक्स आती है ना अपने पेरेंट्स को मनाने की, similarly Tansen also knew the tricks how to change the mind of his guru. He offered to sing before his guru, and then as he sang he made a deliberate mistake. Deliberate मतलब intentionally, जानबूझकर उसने गलती की. अब तानसेन ने कहा अपने गुरुजी से कि I will sing a song, and he started singing a song and he made mistake. That is not the right note, Tansen, cried his teacher, amazed. What has happened to you? When Tansen started singing, he made mistake, and then his guru said, he was amazed. What are you doing, Tansen? You are singing a wrong note. Tansen pretended not to understand his teacher and made the same mistake again. Exasperated, Sant Haridas took the tanpura from Tansen's hands and sang the right note. Then he went on to the next and the next. What happened? Tansen pretended. Pretended means behaved as if he was not understanding what his guru was saying, and he again sang the wrong note. बार बार जान के उसने गलत गाना गाया. बस तो अब क्या हुआ? The guru, he got annoyed. Exasperated means उन्हें गुस्सा आ गया. Sant Haridas took the tanpura from Tansen's hand और उन्होंने खुद गाना शुरू कर दिया. The melody of his voice spread across the forest like the first glimmer of dawn or the fragrance of jasmine. जैसे जैस्मिन के फूलों से खुशबू आती है ना, वैसे ही जब संत हरिदास ने गाना गाना शुरू किया तो उनके गाने ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कि पूरे का पूरा जंगल जो है वो महक गया हो. उसमें सुर, गानों की धुनें चली गई हों. इतना सुरीला पूरे का पूरा एटमॉस्फेयर वहाँ का हो गया. Both Akbar and Tansen listened to him as if hypnotized. Hypnotized means as if they were totally lost in the beauty of the music. The emperor realized Tansen had spoken the truth. Now he had not known that music could be so heavenly. Heavenly means so divine. अकबर को पहली बार पता चला कि म्यूजिक इतना स्वीट हो सकता है, इतना डिवाइन हो सकता है. He had certainly never heard anything like it before. अब क्या हुआ? Now they left for their palace, and on the way emperor suddenly broke the silence. Both were quiet. All of a sudden Akbar said, why can't you sing like him, Ustad ji? Tansen smiled. Shahanshah, I sing at your command, the command of the emperor of Hindustan. And Guruji, he sings for the one who is the king of kings. His music springs from the depths of his soul, free and unasked for. How can my music hope to reach those heights? Just imagine the beautiful lines of the chapter. Here, Tansen, what he says to Akbar, ki Shahanshah, I am obedient to you only. Whatever you ask me to sing, I sing for you. At your command, I am singing. But my Guruji, he is singing for the Almighty, the supreme power of the world. That is God. So there can never be any comparison between my song and my Guru's song. His song is the song of the songs. मतलब दुनिया में जितने भी गाने होते हैं उन सब से बेटर गाना, बेस्ट गाना जो किसका है, मेरे गुरुजी का होगा. Because he is singing for the Almighty. That is why the chapter's title is The Song of the Songs. Means Tansen can sing a lot of songs every day, but the one song which is sung by his Guru Sant Haridas for the Almighty is the best song. Has no comparison with any other song in the world. So the Song of the Songs title is Justified. Hope you have understood the story. It conveys the message that a man becomes great if he is humble, not egoistic. Money or name or fame cannot make a person humble and cannot bring that person close to the God. If you want that Almighty should love you, so you have to be very humble. Alright, that's all in this chapter. Hope you enjoyed the story. Do all the exercises, question answers. In case of any doubt, you can ask your queries in the comment box. That's all. Okay, take care. Bye.